Did you know over 30% of cars in Japan last well beyond 500,000 miles, and some even cross 1,000,000 miles, all because of strict maintenance habits and driving secrets that most people outside Japan don't even know about? While many car owners around the world struggle to keep their vehicles past 200,000 miles, Japanese drivers have mastered the art of car longevity. From special fueling habits to obsessive care of their engines and transmissions, their approach is what makes Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and other Japanese cars famous for lasting forever. Stick around till the end, because in this video we are going to reveal the 11 Japanese secrets that can make your car last over 500,000 miles too. Let's dive in. Secret number 11. Strict oil change discipline. In Japan, oil changes aren't just a suggestion, they're a sacred ritual. Most Japanese car owners change their oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, even if the manufacturer claims it can go longer. They know that fresh oil isn't just about lubrication. It also keeps the engine clean by carrying away contaminants and carbon deposits. Neglecting oil changes leads to sludge buildup, worn bearings, and premature engine death. Japanese owners often use high-quality synthetic oils and OEM filters that ensure the engine always gets the best treatment. This simple but consistent habit is one of the main reasons Japanese taxis, like Toyota Crown Comforts, routinely clock over 600,000 miles without a rebuild. Secret number 10. Cooling system care. Ask any Japanese mechanic what destroys engines fastest, and they'll tell you overheating. That's why Japanese drivers obsess over their cooling systems. They don't wait 5 years to flush coolant, they do it every 2 years. Radiator caps, water pumps, and hoses are inspected constantly, and even a small leak is fixed immediately. The reason is simple. One bad thermostat or clogged radiator can cook an engine in minutes. Many Honda Accords in Japan have comfortably passed 500,000 miles on original engines, and cooling system discipline is one of the biggest reasons why. Heat kills engines, but in Japan, heat is never given a chance.
Secret number 9. Religious transmission maintenance. Transmissions are often the most expensive part of a car to repair, yet many Western drivers never even change the fluid. In Japan, transmission fluid is treated like gold. It's inspected for color and smell, and replaced long before it turns burnt or dirty. Even CVT transmissions, which are infamous for failing early in other countries, often last 300,000 plus miles in Japan because the fluid is swapped every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. For example, Nissan Skyline taxis in Osaka rack up insane mileage with silky smooth shifts because their gearboxes are pampered with regular service. Japanese philosophy is simple. If the transmission stays clean, the whole drivetrain stays alive.
Secret number 8. Strict adherence to Shaken inspections. One of Japan's best-kept secrets isn't a maintenance trick, it's the law. Every car in Japan must pass Shaken, a strict government inspection done every 2 to 3 years. Shaken checks everything: brakes, suspension, emissions, lights, and even fluid leaks. If anything fails, it must be repaired before the car can legally be driven. This system forces Japanese owners to keep their cars in near-perfect mechanical condition. That's why Japanese used cars exported overseas often run better at 15 years old than some 5-year-old Western cars. Shaken is a hidden reason why Japanese cars routinely live past 500,000 miles. Secret number 7. Gentle driving habits. Japanese drivers treat their cars like family members. Instead of flooring the accelerator or slamming on the brakes, they drive with patience and consistency. Gentle acceleration reduces stress on pistons and bearings, while smooth braking preserves suspension and transmission components. They also avoid high RPM revving when the engine is cold, which prevents premature wear. This calm driving style is why imports like the Toyota Corolla regularly come out of Japan with 300,000 to 500,000 miles still running smoothly. In fact, many of these cars get exported to Africa or the Middle East and continue running for another decade without issue. Secret number 6. Rust prevention rituals. Japanese car owners are meticulous about protecting their vehicles from corrosion. In regions with snow, they wash their cars frequently to remove salt, and many apply undercoating treatments every few years. Small rust spots are treated immediately before they spread. This is why you can find 20-year-old Japanese imports with bodies that look almost showroom new. Take the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Many examples in Japan still run beautifully past 400,000 miles, largely because their owners refuse to let rust eat them alive. By tackling rust early, Japanese drivers keep vehicles structurally solid and safe long past the point most Western cars are scrapped. Secret number 5. Preventive part replacement. Most people wait until something breaks before replacing it, but not in Japan. There, preventive replacement is the golden rule. Timing belts, hoses, spark plugs, coils, and even alternators are swapped on schedule, even if they still work fine. Secret number 4. Respect for warm-up and idle time. A cold engine is a fragile engine, and Japanese drivers understand that. They rarely start their cars and immediately push them hard. Instead, they allow a brief warm-up, letting oil circulate fully before accelerating. At the same time, they avoid long, unnecessary idling, which can cause fuel dilution and carbon buildup. This enough warm-up, but not excessive idling, balance, protects engines from their most vulnerable stage, the cold start. That's how a Honda Civic Shuttle in Japan managed to surpass 900,000 miles without a major rebuild. The owner simply respected the warm-up ritual for decades, and the car rewarded him with legendary reliability. Secret number 3. Tire and suspension balance. Tires and suspension may not sound like engine saviors, but they are. Uneven tire wear puts stress on suspension joints, while poor alignment sends vibrations through the drivetrain. Japanese drivers rotate tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles and schedule suspension checks like clockwork. Shocks, struts, and bushings are replaced before they wear out completely, keeping the car stable and reducing hidden stress on mounts and bearings. This is why the Lexus LS 400 often lasts 500,000 to 600,000 miles in Japan. By keeping the suspension balanced, Japanese owners preserve not just comfort, but also mechanical harmony. Secret number 2. Engine bay cleanliness. Japanese drivers believe a clean engine is a healthy engine. They frequently clean under the hood to remove dust, oil, and grime that can hide leaks or damage wiring. By keeping everything spotless, they catch small problems early, like a cracked hose or seeping gasket, before they turn into disasters. A clean engine also runs cooler and avoids fire hazards. This habit is why many Toyota Hiace vans in Japan survive 600,000 miles of daily use. They're not just maintained, they're kept spotless inside and out. Secret number 1. Use of top-tier fuel. Here's a secret most people overlook. Japanese drivers prioritize top-tier certified fuel, even if it costs a bit more. This type of gasoline contains higher levels of detergents that clean fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Over time, cheaper fuel. That's all for this video. These are the Japanese secrets that keep cars running strong past 500,000 miles, backed by real-life examples of Toyotas, Hondas, Lexuses, and even Mazdas that refuse to die. It's not magic and it's not luck, it's discipline, preventive maintenance, and respect for the machine. If you start applying even half of these habits, your car could outlive your expectations and save you thousands in the long run. See you in the next video.